Welcome to our series all about creating a Wix website for your resort or accommodation business. A great template gets you started. But to make it truly yours, the first thing you need to do is to apply your very own brand colors and typography. And that's what we're going to do in today's video. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Site Design on the left. This is where you can edit your color theme, text theme, page background, as well as page transitions. For your color theme, you're going to need to set up your base colors as well as your accent colors. You can change each color here individually. Just click on a color and then select one using this color picker tool, or you can input your hex code over here and click on apply. When choosing your base colors, make sure that they're a good contrast in order to meet accessibility standards. You can also do the same for your accent colors. You can actually choose 2 accent colors or more. Just add any color you like. If you want to remove a color, you can click on the 3 dot button that corresponds to that color, select remove. Just choose any color here and click on remove. Now let's go to text theme. You can manually change your heading font and paragraph font by choosing fonts available on Wix. But if you have your very own font, you can then upload your preferred font onto Wix and use that instead. But what I usually like to do is to click on Change Text Theme and just select a text theme from Wix's library that I like. For your page background, this is in case you want to change your background to a color, an image, or a video. Usually you don't need to put a background for a cleaner look and feel, but if you do decide you want to, make sure that it's not going to distract your site visitors away from your content. And lastly, let's add page transitions for a sleek feel. You can choose from 4. And once you're done working on these things, click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.